Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to teach you how to build a storage shed for under $200. A few years ago, we built this shed, but we were filling it up with a lot of leftover building materials and things that we just don't use that often. So I really wanted a storage shed. And now I have one, and I'll show you how to build it.
Before we get started, I do want to point out that we did flip the pitch of the roof the other way. It was originally designed to pitch this way, which gave it more clearance for those doors.
We also had to do a couple of little tweaks to square everything up to make the doors line up correctly, but you'll see those struggles as well. Okay, so as you can see in our shed, we have made a lot of progress in finishing and organizing it. Some ski hanging, the walls and ceiling and floor are now all finished, but we have a whole lot of extra building materials and things that just don't really need to live in here necessarily. So we decided that we're going to build a shed for our shed. So as you can see here, this is the side of the shed. We've made a nice gravel pad that's nice and level, and we have an aluminum shed kit. So Rob is currently busy working on a heater project because, like often happens to us, we had a malfunction. And so this one's gonna fall to me, and I get to play with the miter and the lumber to make the floor. Hopefully I don't lose any fingers. Let's go to time lapse. Well, mission accomplished for stage one. And as you can see, we're running out of daylight, so that's where we're gonna stop today because also I can't really lift this by myself. It was enough to flip it over. Getting it over there is not gonna happen, so we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow and we will dig it in, level it out, and then start building the shed. Look at this deck I made. We gave it a slight pitch away from the shed and downhill, just for water runoff and snow runoff and all that, but look at that. I'm pretty proud of that. Okay, so we've organized all of the pieces and made sure that everything that was supposed to be in the box was in the box, and now we're gonna start by building the base frame.
You're great at screwing. Having fun?
Getting in a rhythm.
The instructions failed to mention that you need to peel every single panel.
It's definitely the most annoying part of the whole thing. Okay, so we made a lot of progress yesterday. We have the whole frame and roof done. Give a little tour here. Ooh. A little rattly at the moment. Bolted down. Now we just need to do the doors and the reinforcement bars. Well, we did it! Finally finished. We had a couple of hiccups. We realized that none of the doors were fitting correctly, and we realized it's because things weren't square because of the tipping on the base. So we had to level that out a little bit differently and make sure that we got the aluminum square-ish at the very least. And then now the doors actually line up Before there was like an inch gap and it was not good. But now, look at that. Okay, now for the big reveal. Ta-da. We have many more things to go in there, but we're starting to Tetris and it's so far really nice. Well, there you have it. That's our storage shed for under $200. We'll drop a link below to the kit that we used. I hope you learned something and liked the video. There was a little bit of trial and error, but I think it turned out pretty well.
You did terrific.
Oh, thank you.
I barely helped. All right, stay tuned for the next one, guys. Cheers.
Can't you say what you mean?